I tried ThunderCore wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded the ThunderCore wallet app, I didn't expect much. But after 7 days of using it, the shocking truth is that this wallet is one of the most underrated gateways to fast, low-cost crypto transactions, all powered by the ThunderCore blockchain. On day 1, I was impressed by how lightweight and beginner-friendly it felt. Setup took less than a minute. No complicated steps, just create a wallet, save your recovery phrase, and you're in. By day 2, I started exploring the ThunderCore blockchain itself. Most people have never heard of it, but it's a high-speed layer 1 network capable of over 4.0 transactions per second with gas fees as low as a fraction of a cent. And yes, I tested it. Sending tokens took just about 1 second. Midweek, I dove into the ThunderCore Hub, a built-in mini ecosystem where you can swap, stake, and play DATs directly inside the wallet. It felt like a mix between MetaMask and Trust Wallet, but way smoother and faster. By day 5, I tried staking the native token. The process was straightforward, and rewards started accumulating almost instantly. Compared to staking on other chains, this felt refreshingly simple and transparent. After 7 days, the shocking truth became obvious. The ThunderCore wallet isn't trying to compete with big names like MetaMask or Coinbase. It's carving out its own space for speed, low fees, and accessibility. If you're tired of paying ridiculous gas fees or waiting forever for transactions, ThunderCore might just surprise you. It's a wallet that proves blockchain can be fast, fun, and affordable all at once.